So we've just rolled into Mackay and headed straight to the car wash. So we've pulled into the car wash. Ryan's washing the exterior and I clean the interior. It's perfect time to do it. Ryan the Mozzie Killer.
Just everywhere.
This is why I'm not going outside.
Never seen anything like it. There's another one, there's another one, there's another one.
Get him, get him, get him. So we've just emptied out the, what do you call it, Ryan?
Washing machine.
The washing machine drain bit. Wasn't draining properly. So it looks like there's some laundry detergent sheets that I stopped using months ago. But there's also pieces of metal in there. All sorts. Good work, Ryan. So we've been in Mackay for a couple of weeks now for work and we haven't really seen too much of Mackay and the areas. We've seen a little bit. The first weekend we were here, our friends Greg and Tracy were travelling through. Their caravanning and camping Oz on Instagram and Facebook, and they gave us a call and said, oh, we're gonna pass through Mackay, where are you staying? So we told them, and they ended up being our neighbours for the weekend, which was amazing. It was so good, great to catch up with them. And then yeah, I've just been working, and so today it's our last weekend in Mackay, so we are going to go up north a bit, check out a few spots, maybe check out some potential campsites for when we leave Mackay, and yeah, just check it out and see what it's all about. So the first stop on our little road trip down the coast was Seaforth, and we ended up
booked 4 nights.
Yeah, booked 4 nights next week. So yeah, looking forward to that.
Spot.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
You still got like no sun overall on it.
We just pulled into a place called Smalleys Beach, which is beautiful. National park, campsites, but it'd be very, very hard to get your big rig in here.
Yeah, I'd say almost impossible. You get in, but a lot of mucking around.
Yeah, extremely shady too, so...
Yeah, that's the biggest killer.
Yeah.
You'd get a rig in here. It's just way too shady.
Yeah, oh well. That's alright.
On to the next one.
Attention all travellers, we've got some exciting news. We now have our very own website, rnrzone.com.au. It's your one-stop hub for all things R&R. Catch all of our travel videos, learn a bit more about who we are, and check out our blog for real-time updates from the road. Got little adventurers? You'll love our Aussie-themed worksheets, perfect for kids on the move or curious minds at home. So pack your curiosity and head to www.rnrzone.com.au. We look forward to seeing you there. Oh, you just saw the mozzies all in the video.
At the end of the thing, there's a head popping out.
Another turtle. This is a lake that backs onto the caravan park. Apparently there's fish in here.
It's barren here, but it's the wrong time of year. It's not hot enough. Get another thing.
Just another restock.
Oh, she's choppers.
Old mate's just having a blast defrosting the fridge.
Jeez, oh shit.
It was a little bit...
That's a lot of ice.
Morning everyone, I've gone for a walk today down to the Marina. And then gone to the breakwater, so I'm just walking along that now. From the Discovery Park, which is where we're staying, it's about 2 kilometres to the Marina. And then the breakwater is about 1.5 kilometres long, so I think I'm going to do that and then head back. It's a beautiful morning, very calm and still, not much wind around, and it's beautiful scenery, so win-win. Was lovely until I just stood in dog poo. Pick up after your dogs, people. Well, I made it to the end, so I'm just going to sit here with my cup of tea that I brought with me and just enjoy the view for a little bit and then start the trip back. It's a place a lot of people told us to skip, but we've learned you've got to make your own opinions about a place. Don't judge it until you've been there yourself. Thanks, Mackay. You were a pleasant surprise.